Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Winter Gigi from Dandy's World, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So let's start by drawing in the top of that tube. So we're going to start on the left hand side, curving this over and across on the right. Now from here on both sides, we're just going to curve this line around and then in towards the top. Now from here, let's close this off with another curved line. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and in towards the middle. We'll start back on that line, blending this together, curving this all the way around and then down on the right-hand side. Let's close off the bottom of the face. On the left-hand side, curving this line around, flattening that out as we come in for the chin. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, curving this around, flattening this out, blending that in together. Let's come up for that smile. Right in the middle, we're going to draw in another curved line. Now let's come up for the eyes. We're going to draw in a straight line across. We'll leave a gap, doing the same thing on the left-hand side. Now from here on the inside, we're just going to curve this line up towards the top for that eyelid. And if we have a small open gap here, we're just going to do the same thing on the side. Now let's come in for the eye underneath. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line, curving that up. We'll do the exact same thing on the left-hand side. Let's step in for that pupil. We're going to draw in another half circle closer to the inside corner. We're just going to color that in black. Now let's draw the eyelashes underneath. So we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming out. And then for the cheeks here on the inside, we're just going to curve this line around and back up. Now let's draw in the collar on the neck. So right from the middle here, we're going to curve this around and out. And then again, from that point, we're just going to curve this over and through towards that chin. From the inside here, we're going to curve this line around and down for that sleeve. We'll do the exact same thing on the top. We're going to curve this around and down, ending that at the same distance there. Now from here, let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. Now on the inside, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming across. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line. Now let's step up in the middle, drawing in a diagonal line coming up, straight up. And then we'll step in doing the same thing on both sides. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in a curved line. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the opposite side. And then once more as we flip over to the left. We're going to draw in some of the snow that's falling down on the sleeve now. So right on the top, we're going to draw in a small half circle. We'll mirror this in the opposite direction. Coming down, we'll draw in another smaller circle. Let's come down again on a diagonal, drawing in another circle for that snowdrop. come down, drawing in another smaller one. Let's come down, drawing in another circle on a diagonal. And then let's move up to the side, replicating that. Let's close off the torso. So we're going to draw in a slight curved line right in the middle. We'll do the exact same thing underneath. Now in the middle, let's draw in a straight line coming up. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left and right hand side. Let's flatten this out with a straight line above for the snow. We're going to draw in a small little snowman here in the corner. So what we're going to do is we're going to step up, we're going to curve this around and out for the body. Let's add in a small head here. So we're going to draw in another circle, curving that down. We're just going to draw in a sideways triangle for that nose. Let's draw on the top hat. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out and then up. We'll bring that line back in. We'll bring that up and over. And then we can just color in that top hat black. We're going to draw some more snow falling. So on the top left here, let's draw in another circle. Come down on a diagonal, replicating that. Let's move over on the left-hand side, drawing in another circle. And now lastly, we're just going to frame in our legs. So in the middle here from this line, we're going to step over. We're going to draw in a straight line coming down. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now for that foot, we're just going to curve this out, tucking that around, back in. We'll do the exact same thing on the left. Let's close off that leg, bringing this line up towards the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Gigi Winter Edition. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.